So this stuff I'm talking about. This lady always lose her ring.
I didn't lose it.
Just lose her ring all the time.
I ain't lose all of it.
Same thing. Same thing. Same thing. She making us late. If I was late, if I was taking this long, she'd be up my ass. You know what your things to do? Don't matter. I believe the children are the future. She way better. She need to hear that. All playful. We got a half moon. Man, we supposed to be seeing Jupiter or something. He thinks he's cool standing outside pumping his gas. You like my hat?
Yeah.
Better. You better like it. I don't know why I always have my feet on the brake pedal while I'm sitting in the car.
Paranoia.
Maybe not. I just know my feet naturally rest there. Thank you very much. I believe the children are the future. We have $14 for half a tank.
Appreciate.
Look very cutesy.
Scrumptious.
Very demure.
Very scrumptious.
Come on, man. What you taking my money? He put the navigation in.
My man hold the camera in front of y'all, not them. You know, you think that's right?
Nobody care about what he
Oh,
say.
he said man hold the camera in front of y'all, not them. That's his name? Rahan?
I guess. Baby, put the stuff in. I want to go gun range. We can go grocery shop tomorrow. Let's go tomorrow. But you need to do it today. We can do it today. At least go to the Sam Club closer to it. The one further south. It's not down there. It's further south. So we finna hit Sam's Club there. The range. What you about to get?
Some meat, beef jerky, and some eggs. Because we have no more eggs.
Alright.
That was so cool.
If I ain't bring my good. Well, I can shoot well they got here. Rent one.
Hey, don't you?
Yeah.
And it goes into my place.
Yeah. Let's go get out the way. My bad. We ain't mean to be like that.
Oh, you know something that's prohibited?
What? Huh?
Prohibited ammunition, green.
Yeah. I'm about to say. America. You said, oh well. Mm-hmm. He told me motherfucker reloading this. This is my
One mag wall.
Oh, that's right here. The last time you went to the range with me?
Huh?
When the last time you went to the range with me?
Last time we went?
Yeah. Thank you. Such a good kiss.
It's heavy. I think I started dropping it after the first couple of hits. His name comes in. Oh, gee, you should ask. You know you want to feel more power. Low.
Yeah.
Do not play from the floor.
Not now. Scared me. I ain't not. Hold on to it.
I shot on the 2, the left.
I'm finna dry fire a little bit because my aim is off. What am I shooting at? It's going to the left.
No, you can get on the.
Hold it tight.
Yeah. Hold on a plug. I don't even know if I want it for her. Trigger pulls too long.
What are you doing?
And over it this way.
I was trying to check with you something.
Yeah, clip. Yes. Cause either Christian.
Huh?
Probably not enough.
Oh, you know how to load them?
Yeah. I don't like those. I don't like to load.
Nobody does. These bullets in my bag. Here. Look, so here's these.
Where you need this gun? Did you want to go? I mean, you look pretty accurate with it. You're all in center mass. What place will be proud? Yeah. That looks like a bad one.
Did you cock it back? Yeah. It's not loaded. So
I ain't cock it back enough.
nope. You just gotta rip it. Don't be scared of it.
just touch some on this side. Is it okay?
No, you good. Is it loaded?
Yeah.
Yep, it's loaded. Get a good grip. Fish your stance. Put this leg back. There you go. And lean into it. Good job. You're consistent now. Okay. You missed.
I'm trying to hit
Good
the right
job.
shoulder.
You were consistent though. Well, you was hitting that. You was consistent.
Wait.
It was hit good shoulder. All right, so look at the end there. You checked it to see if it was empty. Nope.
I'm gonna go to the bathroom.
Okay.
You need the thing so I can see.
So let it go.
Hey,
1 in the chamber, 11 in the clip. And then you go forward. Hold it tight.
Huh?
The camera like me better.
I see it. That's okay.
It's trash
It's like
too.
an hour. We went through 100 rounds?
Yep.
Damn.
No, just 100. You can you click it once to track your face, and you click it once to stop tracking it, then you to send it back. Double, so it's gonna stay on you now. Right there.
Yeah. At least he tell me what to do now.
You said next, you gonna be by yourself. You too.
How you doing, man?
You too.
Y'all have
You
fun.
too. Throw this away. They ripping them. They ripping.
This is when he come to work at 10 a.m. every day. I was like, I work from home now. He told all that mean he don't do shit.
The same position. Cake. It'd be a cakewalk.
Oh.
I didn't even know she gave you. Cause she tried some guns in her hand.
Yeah. What are you looking at?
I was looking at like this. I think it's a new Scar 9. Y'all had anything like that? A Scar 9 or something like that. It was new, a compact. I couldn't even tell you. It was SAR or Scar? Yeah, SAR, USA or something. Yeah, but I think like compact. Compact. You got anything close to that?
You already checked in. If you want to just pay for it when you come back out, you can just pay for it when you come back out. Oh, okay. Yeah, I appreciate it. Similar to that, size-wise, the only thing I could see that may feel similar would be like the VP9. At least feels somewhat close. This one's a little smaller, like it has a extended grip on it, but it should, based off the look of it, at least feel similar.
Yeah, good. Dry fire?
Yeah, you're good. Hey, Big Rob, can you close the door?
Baby, you want to hold
He
this?
wasn't coming.
You want to hold this?
You should be good, man. Yep.
You want to see how that feels? See how it feels. Okay.
A lot of support.
Thank you.
Yep.
What's that one called?
HK VP9SK. So it's the subcompact, but it's whatever language they made in.
Can you try that little Walter?
Walter? Yeah. It's a James Bond gun.
Oh.
It takes a very specific type of person to like it, and I've not met them yet.
They don't like it? It kind of like hurt your hand when you shoot it?
Not necessarily, it's just kind of awkward.
Can you cock it back all the way? So you can't do it no more?
If we drop the hammer, which is how it'll be.
So you can do it, that's good. I like how it feels. 43X do not got a good trigger. I don't know. Is those just the triggers like that because they've been worn in?
For which one?
Both of them. They've been kind of worn in.
They're just that style of trigger. So this one's a hammer fired. So when the hammer's back, the trigger's going to be a lot nicer. The VP9's the same way. somewhat. EP9 pre-cock or partial cock? Partial cock. They just have nicer triggers than Glocks. Glocks, their triggers really aren't that good. They're just known for their reliability, so people enjoy them.
Okay.
They're not bad triggers, and in the heat of the moment, you're not going to notice the difference between one trigger and another. For like range use training, it's definitely something people look at.
Okay. All right. Thank you for
Yeah,
the
no
help.
problem.
You said what? Thank you, Bobby. I don't know what you said. You want to look at the other guns they got? Oh, it's just another. What? What's that? I think I know what type of gun you like. You like the first one felt good though, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Okay now. You got jokes. I see you got jokes. What is these? What is that? The Walter P22. I'm gonna be a 22 caliber. 22. What you gonna do? You what? You look at your booty? Wow. Look at this. Oh, this will you be around. I ain't never seen him. It was just with him up there. So I probably wasn't paying attention. What? I'm surprised too. Nah, get nervous. Yeah, I'll do better there. I'm gonna give me a Glock. 19 MOS. This is clean. Ain't got no. Which one? What is that? See it? 320? Price compact. What? Oh, feel good. This was better. That's why I don't know why I was doing that. Being stupid. Which one? This one? Those is a lever fire, I think. So you gotta bring it down and come back up to shoot it. You said cock back. I want that one. AK? These are oh shit. These are AKs. And ARs like those. They have one gun you can fold AR. Pull it out of your bag, flip it over. No. Yeah, I can see like motherfucker. Ain't nobody get away from me. Ain't nobody get away from me. So now I'm confident to know what I want to add to my gun. I need a new trigger. For one thing, I need a new trigger. That trigger ass. You want to learn. It's not bad, but it just like it take too much to squeeze that bitch. Like 5 pounds or some shit. Then probably put a tungsten rod to make it heavier, so I won't be bouncing around. And then I probably put a red dot. They probably get a little grip on the handle. That should be alright. Or you like a compensator, however you call it. Look, you see in the car. Yeah, we had groceries in. You had fun, baby? Yes. Now, when we get to the house, we do our, what you call it, impressions. Yeah. Say yeah. Come on, yeah. Come on, look at the camera and say, yeah. Come on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Start the car first. I'm cold.
Yeah, you want me to start the car?
Yeah. I'm cold.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.